Paying back margin on Robinhood. Guys, today in this video I will show you how to pay back margin on Robinhood. So this process actually is pretty simple, and you just need to now follow this instruction, and you can any of these things you have option to deposit funds or money and transfer repent your investing account. If you utilize any margin alternatively, and you can liquidity your shares. And the last one, additionally, you have to have the choice and sell the marginable assist and like option currency in which you can use pay back margin. And so this is much it, and this you will be able to do. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.